Hello guys, so I'm gonna show you my third tip, third because and it's called the tap. So what is the tap actually? Is when you take like a platform, or like I'm gonna use my knee, and you put, and normally it lights, but I have some fucking lights, so you can do it everywhere. Okay, so actually the thing is that you put your finger here, yeah, like that, that's the position, and you flap it anywhere where you want, like here, on your knee or in your hands. So what is the slow motion is when you tap, pressure, your finger is going to do like that, and it's gonna light, and it's really cool. I can't think of a trick I can do to you. Oh yeah, I have one, but everybody knows it. So, in fact, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it like you see, and you're gonna put this thing on the right. So I'm gonna do like this, okay? And then I'm gonna light it. I don't have more fucking lights. When I'm gonna light it, so you're gonna have the flame. You take the flame off, but the flame is gonna stay here. When you move the zippo, the flame's gonna go back. Okay, thanks for watching, and put lots of comments.